making Easter string eggs.
You will need a bowl or tray, cotton string, water balloons, water, PVA glue, a pin or scissors, and a spoon.
First, blow up the water balloon to look like an egg shape. Mix the glue and water in the tray or the bowl. Make sure to put the same amount of water and the glue. Put the string into the mixture. Make sure to put the end of the string at the end. Wrap the string around the balloon. Make sure to squeeze out the glue while wrapping it around.
Connect the end of the string to another string to end it.
Leave the balloon to dry for about a day. If it is not dried after a day, make sure to leave it out for a couple more hours until it dries. Now, pop the balloon with the pin or scissors. Take the balloon out. I hope you enjoy your Easter string eggs.